All right, pack meetings, here we are. 11.7 homework. It's all of it. There's not that many to do. It's just a couple. Um, but one thing I would do with the estimating volume, for me, it's a little bit hard to see how many boxes because they put these boxes in like this. It's too hard to see. They should have made that like dotted line or something. So just do your best on it, guess it. I mean, as long as you know what you're doing, I'm happy with that. But like this one is 2 by 2 by 2, so that's how they end up with 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. This one I have as 2, and then I have it as 3 that way and 4 up. So let me know if you think the same. Of course, it's 2 this way. It's going this way that I find hard to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 5, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So just do your best. This one's a little bit easier to see. This one's a little bit easier to see. But it's just what's the volume of the box, the small box, multiplied by the number of boxes that you have. It's that, literally that simple, okay? So you got that. Let me flip this over. They are the same on the back end. What's the approximate volume? The volume of each box of envelopes is 120 cubic centimeters. Remember, something like that. Drop the zeros, multiply, then add the zeros back on. Make life easy on yourself. Rosa has 16 unit cubes. How many different rectangular prisms can she build with the cubes? So I'm going to tell you how many, all right? And you see if you can find them. Now, the thing I would do with this is I would start with what two numbers equal 16 when I multiply them, right? What two numbers can I multiply to get a product of 16, right? So what are the factors of 16, right? There's 3 of those that you could do. And then there's one where you can't do that. You got to have, none of the numbers can be 1. All right? None of the numbers can be 1 for that. All right, so see what you can do. All right, remember you're dealing with 16, so you're thinking 4s and 2s and stuff like that, right? Okay. And then this is just length times width times height, right? And with the height of 1, that makes it really easy. Okay. Quarts are smaller here. How many quarts are in a gallon? How many quarts, like quarters in a dollar? 4 in a gallon. You've got 20 gallons. That should be cake. Easy. And then Monique ran in a 5-kilometer race. How many meters is that? That's bouncing decimal, right? Meters are the babies. Kilometers are the biggest ones, right? So how many kilometers, how many meters in 1 kilometer? Kilometer. That's one you should remember. It's more than 100, but less than 10,000. If that helps. All right.